Texas girl does not do good with cold. I will tell you right now. No bueno. So I'm gonna need to be going to a meeting, so I need to look halfway decent, like my face. Cameras are optional, but I know these people, so they would expect me to be in a bear sweater. That wouldn't surprise them. So I do feel like I need to put on eyebrows more than anything. Remember how I feel like without eyebrows, I have no expression? That's just a mental thing, I guess. But I hope everybody's doing great. 2021, woohoo! I feel like eventually, I will have to get a nose job to fix the broken nose after all these years, because my nose is very sensitive. Like, it actually hurts when I touch it. And I tend to get at least one sinus infection like a year. Yes, I'm going straight for the eyebrows because I'm just going to put on concealer today. And no, I don't have my whole camera setup, the new setup, which I should, because the lighting is like 1,000 times better. But I'm under weather, so I'm sorry ahead of time. So I'm just gonna go all natural and throw on some eyebrows. See, I already look better. Look. What? Yeah, I know. So forgive me if I'm kind of scatterbrained. I even feel like my throat's like, it's not that great. Sore throat sucks. But I'm not claiming it. Nope. My mother always says, don't claim it, because then you mentally make yourself feel worse. So I'm not claiming it. What I'm saying is, I am going to drug myself up. I'm going to take vitamins, emergency medicine like cough drops, drink warm stuff, like have some coffee, maybe. Well, I am gonna have coffee because that's my drug right there. But I am going to fix this. My lips are actually on fire, so I thought that maybe I was running a fever because they feel like raw. That's why they're kind of pinky right now. That started last night, but I did take my temperature and everything appeared to be okay. So I don't know. But we'll see. I hope everybody's staying warm because we're in global warming. I know it sounds crazy, right? Texas, we have bipolar weather. So yeah, it's 31 degrees outside right now. Tonight it'll drop to 29. But tomorrow, who knows, might be in the 60s. That's sunny day. Today, later on in the evening, it will be in the 50s. So it's just, yeah. That's Texas. So if you're not down for instantaneous change, Texas is not for you, because we change like boom, next, boom, next. We're all about changes. Changing of the weather, changing of this, changing of that. So I hope everybody's doing an awesome... Everybody's having an awesome day. I haven't had any coffee, guys, so Pardon me. I'm trying to get rid of some of the redness because I have natural red. Oh my gosh, Melissa, your skin looks so clear. Why, thank you. It's not hereditary. My mom, growing up, she said that they used to make fun of her because she had so much acne. They called her pizza face. Like, wow. So, that's not gonna be me because because of that, my mom had always scolded me on taking care of my teeth. And so I do. And also my eyes, of course. But skin. She has oily skin. Maybe I got the best of it because I have like combination, except right now it's like, it's dry outside. I mean, it's a bit dry. It's not going to stay like this, guys. Don't worry, because I am going to put on some powder. Oh, yeah. I do put pre-product on, so I did not put on makeup base, a primer. No. So there's a no to that. So basically every night I do use a moisturizer. I use oil of Olay. It's like only $20. I've been using it for years. Of course, as you get older, you do have to change the intensity of that type of product because they do have for younger and they do have for older women. Only because the older, it's a purple one. Unless they change the colors. The purple one, it actually is more moisturizing. When you're younger, you still have elasticity in your skin. Ladies, we age faster than men. However, men age more harshly than women. So there's that. We may turn into cougars quicker, but meow, we'll be sexy longer. So just keep that in mind. I know it looks like, okay, so you have like brown and now what? I'm gonna put on powder, so calm down. I am already going way above my wanting to go. By the way, this is all Sheen that I'm putting on. There's no other product that I have on. This is Sheen powder. Highly recommend Sheen. Yeah, it might take like till Kingdom Come for it to get to you, but it's relatively cheap. It's actually very cheap. So if you're gonna bulk up, like buy in bulk so you don't have to pay for more shipping, I would do that because, I mean, why not? I know when I order, I literally redid all of my, this is Shein, by the way. I literally redid my whole wardrobe. Everything in my closet is Shein. I know, it's sad. It's so sad. I have problems. Imagine when I have kids. Oh my gosh. Everything. Oh gosh. I don't have kids yet, but I don't buy my dog anything because Ted absolutely hates to wear anything. He won't even wear a collar. He hates it. And he's adopted, so I guess his past life wasn't that great to him when it came to collars and stuff. So he dreads stuff like that. So he, he's already, we got him when he was 2. But he's already, 9. He's 9. So I thought he was 10. I thought he was older. And then I was looking back at his records. I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm calling him older than what he is. I'm sorry. I felt bad. I'm not going to put on anything on my lips. Maybe some gloss. Oh, look, put some highlight so we don't look so dead when we get to the meeting. I'm putting on glasses anyway, so it doesn't matter. I have these dark circles. It's just, I didn't get much sleep, guys. Why Ted decides, hey, I'm going to wake you up at 3 o'clock in the morning. Why? This is so good. This is Bath & Body Works Minta Lip Tint. It's actually by Bigelow Company. I love this stuff, and it's so inexpensive. It actually has real mint in it. I am so big on mint. I don't chew gum. I actually only eat Altoids, or only have Altoids. There's reason behind that, because I actually am kind of really allergic to the fake sugar. Yeah, and it's just, I have a habit. If I have gum, I just want to keep chewing and chewing and chewing. So I'd rather not, just skip that. So what else are we going to do with this? I'm going to throw on glasses, so how about mascara? Let's put on some mascara. Yeah, mascara. Sorry that I didn't go into anything. We're just going to go all natural, like I said earlier. I'm not feeling the greatest, but I do want to look somewhat decent. Am I going to put my ear hood on? Yes, I am. And I'm going to put my glasses on. So I really don't have to. Yes, I did that. It's my saliva, guys. What's wrong with using your own saliva? To clean your own skin. Nothing's wrong with it. I know where my mouth's been. And it's about to go in coffee. Why did I even put on lip gloss? Because I wanted to look decent, guys. Okay, here we go. Do I look ready? No. I need to pull out the side curls. We need the little side curls. Side curls. And I hate that my face is always so round. Like, I don't put on enough for me to have those, like, that look. Let's see if we can get it. Let's just stay like that. Yeah? Works. Oh, wait. Going. Make. There we go. Do I have better cheeks now? Sort of. Sorry guys, I'm just not up to par today. Just not. I have some really cute Shein stuff that I want to show you guys. Like, it's really, really cute. Like, I asked my husband, is it senora? Meaning, is it like, not really old lady, but like an older lady, like mom, or senora, just like somebody, like a more mature woman. There's nothing wrong with that, but sometimes you might have that not youthful look that's just like it doesn't go with you. So we will see. He said no, so I did get it, and I'm like, oh, wait a second, it's not that senora because it has a slit on the side. So yeah, it's a long skirt, and this cute non-revealing concealing. It hides everything. Again, I haven't had my coffee. So, everybody, have a great day. I'm going to let y'all go before I keep babbling on about who knows what. Bye.